looks like a mouse or something.
I know.
It's alive. Squirrel's tail.
Right.
That's a windsock right there.
What's your first name again?
My name is Amanda.
Amanda.
Quinn.
Okay.
Blonde on the pond.
Okay.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Here I am with Jimmy Houston and Roland Martin. Everybody knows who they are.
And the world's greatest windsock.
Yeah. Amanda, boy, you got the...
Don't talk about me like that.
Oh, well, look at that. Look at that. Wow. I didn't mean for you to take it personal.
So we got that sound separate from the camera.
Yes, you're going to turn it over. So we're here talking to these two guys. So this is like a great thing that the Bass Pros put on. They haven't done this in 30 years, right? Since 1988.
1988. 34 years. 34 years. Yeah.
So this is a great thing that they're doing. They're having these guys, they're having NASCAR drivers, and they're having you guys. My favorites. I drove 5 hours to see you all.
Oh, that's fantastic. We appreciate you did.
Yeah. So that's That's why I came to see you all and to talk to you all and so okay. What's the biggest fish you've ever caught?
I've caught some big sharks.
The biggest fish would have to be a Goliath grouper, though.
Oh, yeah, big, 700 pound Goliath grouper.
Listen to that. He caught a 700-pound Goliath grouper, and when you know his luck would have it the same day, I caught one like 720.
Oh, I bet, right?
Luck would have it.
Hey, on the bass, you tell me how big your fish is so I can beat you.
My biggest bass was 14-1. They took us to sign autographs earlier. They took us to the Liars Club.
I know, I saw that.
Here at the store, they have a Liars Club. I think that I fit right in. I think it's like, I'm not Catholic, I'm a Baptist, but I think the Liars Club is here for fishermen. It's kind of like confession, where they go, they talk to the priest and confess all the bad things they did last night, and then it's okay. Right? I think the Liars Club, you go in there and say, Lord, I'm sorry, I told all my buddies that fish weighed 7.2. It really only weighed 2.7. And I held it real close to the camera, and it looked really big.
You had a moment of dyslexia.
I'm sorry about that, Lord, but I guess that's what that Liars Club is.
Right.
Why they took Roland and Bill and I there, I don't know.
It's a natural. We're natural.
Right.
And we never lie.
No. Don't be blind about lying.
Oh, pretty much all fishermen lie except me and Roland. And I'm not real sure about Roland.
Are you crossing your fingers behind your back or what? You better repent.
I just don't know if lightning can strike me inside this building.
My grandfather was struck by lightning.
Well, I got close to being struck by lightning. I think it's a fisherman thing. I don't know. Is it it's drawn to us or something?
My biggest bass I caught this year, a lightning bolt hit, and it scared me so bad that I said, I gotta get out of here.
Because you're afraid of lightning. He is afraid of lightning.
I started reeling as fast as I could, and this giant bass over 12 pounds just ate my lure. I wasn't even fishing. I was just trying to get the lure out of the water.
Right?
Because I was scared of lightning.
Oh my gosh.
And he calls that skill.
I wasn't skilled. I was scared.
But what he didn't add, as scared as he is of lightning, he stayed out there another 2 hours, throwing it out there and winding it back in as fast as he could.
Right.
Just trying to catch another 12 pounder.
Repetitive fear.
It didn't happen.
Okay. Right. So have you all fished Kentucky Lake?
Oh yeah, I love Kentucky Lake.
Okay,
Jimmy
yeah.
I've won a tournament there, and Jimmy's done really well.
Yeah, that's like 45 minutes from my house. So,
I love Kentucky.
the next time you all are in the area, you'll have to come fishing with me.
Oh, I love it.
And come turkey hunting. So
I love
She's got 300 acres full of turkey.
yeah, I do. Yeah.
300 acres.
In Massac County.
I talked to you a long time ago about
Yes,
that.
in Massac County. Yeah.
You said something about that.
Yes.
You were talking to me about it.
Yeah, in Massac County. Because you're Smith from my sister now.
Okay.
In Metropolis. Yeah. Yeah, we have a farm up in Massac County, so you guys will have to come hunt with me.
I want to do that.
Yeah, you
My
should.
stepson bought a farm there to the garage. Judy's oldest four. Youngest
Yeah.
four.
At Murray's Day. Yeah. It's my sister. Yeah, my sister. She bought it for my sister. So,
Really?
yeah, small world.
It is. My goodness.
Yeah. But, well, thank you guys for talking to me. I really appreciate it. Are y'all gonna be here tomorrow? We're gonna be here every day, right?
Turkey hunting.
Well, you should.
Jimmy and I will be up.
I'll give you my card.
Okay.
We're kind of
Don't ever miss a chance to go turkey hunting.
Yeah, we're kind of
Here I am with Houston, on the pond.
we're in a great place too, aren't we?
We are.
Absolutely. It's fantastic. It's a big event.
It is.
This is a store full of big toys right here. I love it. I love
Adults
it.
being at Disney World.
It's better than being at Disney World. I'd rather go here than Disney World
I'd say
any day.
cheaper, but that's not true. So anyway.
The good thing about this is you can spend it like several thousand at a time if you want to.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. But you know, you can like reuse it over and over.
That's it. That's it.
Better get Bill right now if you want it.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to say thank you for talking to me today.
Well,
doing this for me. And
I appreciate it.
A radio show and everything.
Appreciate it. I appreciate
Nice
it.
to meet you.
Best of luck with everything.
Thank you,
All right.
sir. Bye,
Y'all,
guys.
I love you.
That's not bad. He's not huge. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. He's pretty good, huh? Hi, buddy. First fish of the day. He's not too bad. He's not great big, but I'm still gonna weigh him and then let him go. Bye guys, see ya. Mwah. He's a good one. He's pretty. He's got potential. He's about 1.5 pounds, I think. He's not 2 pounds. So anyway, but here in a couple of years he'll be about a 3, I bet. So see you guys later. Bye. Here we go. Thank you. Hey, Ron, I'm fine here at the World Fishing Fair, the Bass Pro Shop in Springfield, Missouri. Thank you so much.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you. I just wanted to grab you for a few minutes, and so this is a big thing. You've been doing this in what, 7 years?
Yeah, and it's our 50th anniversary of Bass Pro Shop, so we had to have a big get-together.
Yeah, and I just saw a clown call, Jim Houston and Bill Dance and Mario Bell.
Yeah.
That's a motley crew, but this is going to be a great weekend. We've got some great people coming in. This is a big deal, especially after COVID. This is a great thing for us. Thank you again.
Hey, thank you for being here. Thank you for promoting the outdoors and fishing.
Yes, thanks. We see you again. Bye.
I got to, something that was really special to me, I got to be part of Luke Bryan's song video that he did about, if you have not seen that, you need to download it from Apple Music. The song I Want to Be Bill Dance that Luke Bryan did, it's just really incredible. It's a great song, first off, but it's a really great man. So Bill, you're up.
We had a great time doing that, didn't we? We really did.
Special.
I'm like Jimmy. I look back to special memories in my life. I can think of 3 real outstanding ones with 3 different people. But I have writers ask me a lot of times, Bill, what's the most memorable thing in your life? Was it a particular tournament you won? Was it a particular fish you caught? A big fish? A particular fish you lost? What was it? Is there one particular thing in your life that's most memorable? Well, probably the most memorable thing would be watching each one of my 4 children catch their first fish. And I was there when I saw each one of them catch that first fish. I watched the excitement, their eyes, their expression, the excitement, and I let them do it on their own. I didn't make that cast for them. I let them make the cast. I let them reel the fish in. And they hollered, help me, help me. And I said, no, it's your deal. You catch it. It's your fish. And then being able to watch 4 of my 7 grandchildren catch their very first fish. And that's very, very special. So I guess that is a very, very special moment. And many of you being grandparents and seeing that or experiencing that, or mothers and dads, you know what I mean. That's a very special moment. I look back, and I've told this story before, and if you've heard it, don't interrupt because I like telling it again. But we do things in life. It may be a certain person we met that says something. It's a certain move we make that has a directional change that changes our whole direction in life. I remember I almost didn't answer a telephone one time. I walked by it, and then I made a U-turn, I came back and answered it. Had I not answered that phone, I wouldn't have met my wife. And it was the greatest phone call I ever made.